హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు ఆర్ఎస్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్స్. గైస్, మనం ఇప్పటి వరకు కూడా కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ అనేది స్టార్ట్ చేశాక 1st ఏప్రిల్ నుంచి 20th ఏప్రిల్ వరకు కూడా డైలీ కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ అనేది ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. సో ఈరోజు ఈ వీడియోలో మనం మెయిన్గా దాని యొక్క కంటిన్యూషన్ కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ అంటే మరొక 5 డేస్కి సంబంధించి 21st నుంచి 25th ఏప్రిల్ వరకు కూడా కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ అనేది స్టార్ట్ చేయబోతున్నాం. సో మెయిన్గా టాపిక్లోకి వచ్చేద్దాం. ఇందులో మనం ఫస్ట్ వచ్చేసరికి 21st ఏప్రిల్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ అవి చూద్దాం. 21st ఏప్రిల్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ గురించి చూద్దాం. అందులో ఫస్ట్ వచ్చేసరికి సెంటర్ హ్యాస్ క్లియర్డ్ హౌ మచ్ అడ్వాన్స్ పేమెంట్ టు సీరమ్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ అండ్ భారత్ బయోటెక్ వితౌట్ బ్యాంక్ గ్యారంటీ. ఆప్షన్ సార్, ఆప్షన్ ఏ 2800 crore and option B 4500 crores and option C 3000 crores and option D 5000 crores and the answer is option B. Next question, which nation has added India to its travel red list? Option sir, A Australia, B UK, C France and D Japan and the answer is option B UK. Next question, Delhi has imposed a curfew till which date? Option sir, A April 30 and option B 22nd April, option C 26th April and option D 2nd May and the answer is option C. Next question, Italy has launched its first mega food park in which state of country? Option sir, A Gujarat, B Rajasthan, C Himachal Pradesh and option D Tamil Nadu and the answer is option A Gujarat. Next question, veteran politician and former Union Ministry Bachi Singh Rawat, who has passed away recently, were an MP from which state? Option sir, A Assam, B Himachal Pradesh, C Uttarakhand and option D Rajasthan and the answer is option C. Next question, which film won best foreign language feature at the Moscow International Film Festival 2021? Option sir, A Puglia, B Asuran and option C Uyare and option D Tapad and the answer is option A. Next question, which Indian weightlifter has created a new world record in clean and jerk? Option sir, A S Satish Kumar, B Mirabai Chanu and option C Jili Debahere and option D Jeremy Larninaga and the answer is option B Mirabai Chanu. Next question, the leading brokerages have downgraded India's GDP growth projections for the current fiscal year 2021-22. Which is the incorrect growth rate percentage prediction? Option sir, A Nomura 12.56 and option B City Research 12% and option C JP Morgan and option D UBS 10% and the answer is option A. Next question, which player has won the 2021 Emilia Romagna F1 Grand Prix? Option sir, A Lewis Hamilton, B Charles and option C Sebastian Vettel and option D Maximum Verstappen and the answer is option D. Next question, Padma Shri winning 107-year-old Ganjam Venkateshwar Subbaya has passed away. He was a veteran writer as well as a lexicographer in which language? Option sir, A Kannada, B Odia and option C Marathi and option D Malayalam and the answer is option A. Next question, RBI has constituted a 6-member panel to review the working of asset reconstruction companies. Who is the head of this panel? Option sir, A Anil Kumar Sharma, B Deepali Panjoshi and option C Mridul Sagar and option D Sudarshan Sen and the answer is option D. Next question, Murali M Natarajan has been reappointed as the managing director and CEO of which bank? Option sir, A Axis Bank, B Karur Vysya Bank, option C DCB Bank and option D Indusland Bank and the answer is option C. Next question, the UN Chinese language day is observed annually by the United Nations on which day? Option sir, A 19th April and B 20th April, C 18th April and option D 21st April and the answer is option B. Next question. The World Liver Day is marked every year on which day? Options are A. 3rd Sunday of April, B. 19th April, C. 20th April, and option D. 3rd Monday of April. And the answer is option B. Next question. Ravi Kumar Dahiya has won gold for India in which sports event? Options are A. Weightlifting, B. Shooting, C. Boxing, D. Wrestling. And the answer is option D. Next question. What was the profession of Sumitra Bhave, who has died recently? Options are A. Sportswoman, B. Filmmaker, option C. Writer, and option D. Economist. And the answer is option B. Next question. Charles Gaske, famous known as Chuck, has passed away at 81. He was the co-founder of which company? Options are Nvidia, and option B. Hewlett Packard, option C. Adobe, and option D. LinkedIn. And the answer is option C. Next question. Indian freestyle wrestler Bajrang Pandya has won silver in the 2021 Senior Asian Wrestling Championships. He completes in which weight division category? Options are A. 95 kg, B. 65 kg, and option C. 70 kg, and option D. 80 kg. And the answer is option B. Next question. The Indian team returned from its scientific endeavor in Antarctica. The journey was which edition of the scientific expedition to Antarctica hosted by the Ministry of Earth Sciences? Options are A. 40th, and option B. 50th, and option C. 20th, and option D. 13th. And the answer is option A. 14th. Next question. How much amount has been allocated to the Startup India Seed Fund scheme? Options are A. 975 crore, option B. 925 crores, and option D. 945 crores, and option D. 900 crores. And the answer is option C. సో ఇవి మనకి మెయిన్గా 21st ఏప్రిల్కు సంబంధించినటువంటి కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ ఇలా ఉంటాయి. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసరికి ఇందులో మనకి ఏంటి అంటే 22nd ఏప్రిల్. సో ఈ 22nd ఏప్రిల్కు సంబంధించినటువంటి కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ ఏంటో కూడా చూద్దాం. విచ్ కంట్రీ ఈజ్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఇన్ ది వరల్డ్ టు ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ క్లైమేట్ చేంజ్ legislation for the ethical sector or financial sector to the report the effects of climate change in their business? Options are A. New Zealand, B. Russia, C. Singapore, and D. Vietnam. And the answer is option A. Next question. The World Press Freedom Index is published annually by which organization? Options are A. Reporters Without Borders, B. Transparency, and option C. World Economic Forum, and option D. Economist Intelligent. And the answer is option A. Next question. Who is the author of the children's book The Christmas Pig? Options are A. Salman, and B. Kathrian, and option C. Ruskin Bond, and option D. J.K. Rowling. And the answer is option D. Next question. Which country will host the UN Food Systems Summit Dialogue 2021? Options are A. China, B. India, C. USA, D. France. And the answer is option B. Next question. The government of India has launched the first ever online exhibition on Ramayana titled Ramakatha, the story of Rama through Indian ministries. The exhibitions showcase how many miniature planning collections of the great epic? Options are A. 108, B. 54, and option C. 32, and option D. 49. And the answer is option D. Next question. Walter Mondale has passed away at the age of 93. He was the former vice president of which country? Options are United States, B. France, C. Australia, D. Brazil. And the answer is option A. Next question. Stefanos has claimed his career's first ATP Masters 1000 trophy after he won the 2021 Rolex Monte Carlo Masters singles title. He beat which player to win the tennis tournament? Options are A. Alexander, B. Daniel Medvedev, and option C. Dominic Thiem, and option D. Andrei Rublev. And the answer is option D. Next question. What is the rank of India in the World Press Freedom Index 2021? Options are A. 151, B. 139, C 127, and option D 142. And the answer is option D. Next question. The Ministry of Tourism signed MOU with Clear Trip and which other company to strengthen the hospitality and tourism industry? Options are A. Easem Trip, and B. Amazon Fly, and option C. Make My Trip, and option D. Goibibo. And the answer is option A. Next question. The Sport 2 supplemented oxygen delivery system has recently been launched for India's soldiers and COVID-19 patients. The system has been developed by which institution? Options are DRDO, B. IIT Delhi, and option C. ICMR, and option D. AIMS Delhi. And the answer is option A. Next question. Which country ranked last in the Henley Passport Index 2021? A. Afghanistan, B. Pakistan, C. Nepal, and D. Bangladesh. And the answer is option A. Next question. When is the World Creativity and Innovation Day celebrated globally? Options are April 18, B. April 19, and option C. April 21st, and option D. April 20th. And the answer is option C. Next question. Miguel Mario Diaz-Canel has been appointed as the first secretary of the Communist Party of which country? Options are A. Puerto Rico, and option B. Haiti, and option C. Mexico, and option D. Cuba. And the answer is option D. Next question. Which country has topped the World Press Freedom Index 2021? Options are A. Sweden, B. Norway, C. Switzerland, and option D. Finland. And the answer is option B. Next question. Which country has topped in the Henley Passport Index 2021? Options are A. Germany, B. South Korea, and option C. Japan, and option D. Singapore. And the answer is option C. Next. Technical cooperation agreement with which country titled strategy combating plastic entering the marine environment? Options are A. New Zealand, B. Germany, C. Scotland, and option D. France. And the answer is option B. Next question. Life Insurance Corporation of India LIC has appointed which homegrown payments player to facilitate its digital payments? Options are A. Paytm, B. Google Pay, and option C. Jio Payments, and option D. Phone Pay. And the answer is option A. Next question. Which day in India is observed as the Civil Services Day? Most important bit. Options are A. 21st April, B. 19th April, and option C. 18th April, and option D. 20th April. And the answer is option A. Next question. Name of the former governor of RBI who has passed away and was often referred to as father of Indian banking reforms? Options are A. Maldivul Narasimhan, and Maidovali Narasimham, and option C. Option B వచ్చేసరికి C. Rangarajan, and option D. S. Venkataramanan, and option D. Indraprasad Gordhan Bhai Patel. And the answer is option A. Maidovolu Narasimhan. Next question. What was the rank of India in the Henley Passport Index 2021? Options are A. 104, B. 45th, and option C. 85, and option D. 53rd. And the answer is option C. సో ఇవి మనకి మెయిన్గా 22nd ఏప్రిల్కు సంబంధించినటువంటి కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసరికి ఇందులోనే మనకి మెయిన్గా 23rd ఏప్రిల్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్. విచ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫాలోయింగ్ ఈజ్ ద ఫస్ట్ పార్టీ దట్ హ్యాస్ declared the name of the entity which made donations to it through electro bonds? Options are A. The Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, and option B. Akhil Bharatiya Gorkha, and option C. Assam Gana, and option D. Desiya Murpoku. And the answer is option A. Next question. Washington Sundar and Devdutt Padakkal has become the brand ambassador of which sports brand? Options are A. Adidas, B. Nike, C. Reebok, and option D. Puma. And the answer is option D. Next question. Which is the India mountaineer who has become the first female of the century to summit MT Annapurna, the 10th highest mountain in the world? Options are A. Santosh Yadav, B. Gurmayam, and option C. Priyanka Mohite, and option D. Malavat Purna. And the answer is option C. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద థీమ్ ఆఫ్ ది 2021 ఇంటర్నేషనల్ మదర్ ఎర్త్ డే? ఆప్షన్స్ ఆర్ ఏ హార్మోనీ విత్ నేచర్, బి క్లైమేట్ యాక్షన్, సి రీస్టోర్ అవర్ ఎర్త్, అండ్ డి ప్రొటెక్ట్ అవర్ స్పెషీస్. అండ్ ద ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ ఆప్షన్ సి. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ఇండియా హ్యాస్ బీన్ ఎలెక్టెడ్ టు హౌ మెనీ బాడీస్ ఆఫ్ UN ఎకనామిక్ అండ్ సోషల్ కౌన్సిల్ recently with effect from January 1st, 2021? Options are A 1, B 5, C 2, and option D 3. And the answer is option D. Next question, how much amount has been announced as a grant by Australia for the Australian India Indo-Pacific Oceans Initiative? Indo-Pacific Oceans Initiative IPOI. Options are A 81.2 million, B 61.2 million, C 71.2 million, and option D 91.2 million. And the answer is option A. Next question, Idris Deby Itno has passed away. He was the president of which country? Options are A Chad, B Niger, C South Sudan, and option D Mali. And the answer is option A. Next question, which aircraft has recently created history by becoming a first powered controlled aircraft to take flight on Mars? Options are A Insight, B Opportunity, C Curiosity, and option D Ingenuity. Option D is the answer. Next question, what was the profession of Shankar Ghosh who was passed away? Options are A sportsman, B literature, C filmmaker, D economist. And the answer is option B. Next question, first unit of ALH Mk3 aircraft INAS 323 has commissioned in which state? Options are A Gujarat, B Goa, C Kerala, D Maharashtra. And the answer is option B. Next question, what is the projected GDP growth prediction rate of India for Y22 by ICRA? Options are 10 to 10.5, B 10 to 11.5, C 10 to 10%, and option D 10 to 11%. And the answer is option A. Next question, what was the profession of Kishore Nandlakar who has passed away? Options are A cricket player, B entrepreneur, and option C actor, D mountaineer. And the answer is option C. Next question, India's first Bombay dwelling bat with a sticky disc has been discovered in which state? Options are A Assam, B Goa, C Meghalaya, D Manipur. And the answer is option C. Next question, which state has set to become Harghar Jal state by 2021? Options are A Manipur, B Haryana, C Punjab, D Gujarat. And the answer is option C. Next question, International Mother Earth Day is observed on which day of the year? Options are April 21st, B April 22nd, C April 20, D April 19. And the answer is option B. Next question, which ministry has started the program Gender Samvad? Options are A Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, B Ministry of Rural Development, C Ministry of Tribal Affairs, and D Ministry of Home Affairs. And the answer is option B. Next question, for the first time which country will participate in the Varuna maritime exercise? Options are A UAE, B USA, C UK, D Japan. And the answer is option A. Next question, Car Ratings has revised the GDP projection of India for the financial year 2021 to 22. What is the revised estimate? Options are A 11%, B 10.2%, C 12%, and D 9.5%. And the answer is option B. Next question, the Indo-Tribal Board and Police ITBP has established a Water Sports and Adventure Institute WSAI in which state? Options are A Uttarakhand, B Himachal Pradesh, C Assam, D Jammu and Kashmir. And the answer is option A. Next question, based on the UN report Cyclone Amphan 2020 has resulted in how much economic loss in India? Options are A 10 billion, B 14 million, C 22 million, and option D 9 billion. And the answer is option B. సో ఇవి మనకి 23rd ఏప్రిల్కు సంబంధించినటువంటి కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్. ఇందులో మనం మెయిన్గా కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్లోని ఇంపార్టెంట్ థింగ్స్ మాత్రమే చూస్తున్నాం. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసరికి ఇందులోనే మనకి 24th ఏప్రిల్కు సంబంధించినటువంటి కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్. సో ఆ 24th ఏప్రిల్కు సంబంధించినటువంటి కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ ఏంటో కూడా చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ విచ్ స్టేట్ హ్యాస్ అనౌన్స్డ్ స్వాస్థ్య సురక్ష సప్తాహ్? ఆప్షన్స్ ఆర్ ఏ గుజరాత్, బి జార్ఖండ్, సి మహారాష్ట్ర, డి గోవా. అండ్ ద ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ ఆప్షన్ బి. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ హూ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఇండియన్ అమెరికన్ అసోసియేట్ అటార్నీ జనరల్ ఆఫ్ ది యునైటెడ్ స్టేట్? ఆప్షన్స్ ఆర్ ఏ నీరా టాండెన్, బి మెరాక్ గార్లాండ్, అండ్ ఆప్షన్ సి వనీతా గుప్తా, అండ్ ఆప్షన్ డి వివేక్ మూర్తి. అండ్ ద ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ ఆప్షన్ సి. Next question. April 23rd is dedicated to celebrating with official language recognized by the United Nations. Options are A. Spanish and Chinese, B. English and French, C. English and Spanish, and option D. Russia and French. And the answer is option C. Next question. What is the rank of India in the 2021 Global Energy Transition Index ETI? Options are A. 95, B. 87, C. 52, D. 76. And the answer is option B. Next question. Arjun Kalyan has become the 68th chess grandmaster of India. He hails from which city? Options are A. Guwahati, B. Visakhapatnam, C. Chennai, and D. Pune. And the answer is option C. Next question. Which country has topped the 2021 Global Energy Transition Index ETI? Options are A. Germany, B. Singapore, C. Norway, and D. Sweden. And the answer is option D. Next question. The central government has waived off the import duty on which drug? Options are Covishield, and option B Sputnik V, and option C Remdesivir, and option D Covaxin. And the answer is option C. Next question. Maulana Wahiduddin Khan, who has passed away recently, belonged to which profession? Options are Islamic scholar, and option B politician, B Qawwali singer, and option D cricket player. And the answer is option A. Next question. When will the voting for the two remaining phases conducted in West Bengal? Options are 27 and 29th April, and 25th and 27th April 2021, 26th and 29th April 2021, and 23rd and 24th April 2021. And the answer is option C. Next question. The World Book and Copyright Day is observed on which date globally? Options are A. April 23rd, B. April 21st, and C. April 24th, and option D. April 22nd. And the answer is option A. Next question. Which state has launched YSR Zero Interest Crop Loan Scheme? Options are A. Goa, B. Karnataka, C. Punjab, D. Andhra Pradesh. And the answer is option D. Next question. What is the name of the latest bat species discovered in India with disc-shaped stick feet? Options are A. Ediscopus, and B. Indian flying box, and C. Andaman, and option D. Cave nectar bat. And the answer is option A. Next question. PM Modi has participated in the Leaders Summit on Climate. The two-day conference was hosted by the head of which country? Options are A. Australia, B. India, C. Russia, and D. United States. And the answer is option D. Next question. The Global Energy Transition Index is released every year by which organization? Options are A. International Monetary Fund, B. World Economic Forum, and option C. World Bank, and option D. United National Development Program. And the answer is option B. Next question. The Leaders Summit on Climate in the run-up to the United Nations Climate Change Conference COP26. The COP26 is scheduled to be held in which state? Which city? Options are A. Paris, B. Madrid, and C. Kotwasi, and option D. Glasgow. And the answer is option D. Next question. When is the International Girls in ICT Day observed? Options are A. 22nd April, B. 23rd April, and C. 4th Thursday of April, and option D. 4th Wednesday of April. And the answer is option C. Next question. As per S&G Global Ratings, what is the estimated GDP growth rate of India in scale 2021-22? Options are A. 11%, B. 12.5%, C. 9.5%, and D. 10%. And the answer is option A. Next question. What was the profession of Farid Sabri, who has passed away? A. Painter, B. Lyricist, and option C. filmmaker, and option D, Hawwali singer. And the answer is option D. సో ఇవి మనకి మెయిన్గా 24th ఏప్రిల్కు సంబంధించినటువంటి కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్. అండ్ దీంట్లోనే మనకి నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసరికి 25th ఏప్రిల్కు సంబంధించినటువంటి కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్. సో అవేంటో కూడా చూద్దాం. అందులో మనకి ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చేసరికి ద వరల్డ్ డే ఫర్ యానిమల్స్ ఇన్ ల్యాబొరేటరీస్ WDAIL ఈజ్ మార్క్డ్ యాన్యువల్లీ ఆన్ విచ్ డేట్? ఆప్షన్ సార్ ఏ 22nd April, B 21st April, and C 24th April, and option D 23rd April. And the answer is option C. Next question. The International Day of Multilateralism and Diplomacy for Peace is observed globally on which day? Options are A 24th April, B 21st April, and option C 23rd April, and option D 22nd April. And the answer is option A. Next question. In India, which day is celebrated as the National Panchayati Raj Day? Options are A April 23rd, B April 22nd, and C April 22nd, and option D April 24th. And the answer is option D. Next question. Bovo Forum for Asia Annual Conference 2021 has held in which country? Options are A Russia, B Pakistan, C China, and D Bangladesh. And the answer is option C. Next question. Which payment bank has become the first to enable SRS 12 lakh day end balance account limit? Options are A Paytm, B Airtel, and C Fino, and option D India Post. And the answer is option B. Next question. What is the revised GDP growth rate projection for India in F22 by SBI Research? Options are A 10.4%, B 9.5%, option C 11%, and option D 12%. And the answer is option A. Next question. RBI has allowed banks to pay dividends on equity shares for FY22 up to a maximum of what percent of the prescribed dividend payout ratio? Options are A 40%, B 50%, C 75%, D 25%. And the answer is option B. Next question. Which state has released the first installment of 672 crores under Jagananna Vidya Divana scheme? Options are A Karnataka, B Bihar, C Kerala, and D Andhra Pradesh. And the answer is option D. Next question. India Ratings and Research has revised the GDP growth projection for India at which percent in FY22? Options are A 11%, B 12.5%, and C 10.1%, and option D 9.9%. And the answer is option C. Next question. The World Veterinary Day is observed on which date? Options are 4th Friday of April, B 4th Sunday of April, B 4th Saturday of April, D 4th Thursday of April. And the answer is option C. Next question. Which country ranked last in the Global Energy Transition Index? Options are A Zambia, B Botswana, and option C South Africa, and D Zimbabwe. And the answer is option D. Next question. Sharwan Rathod, a well-known face in Bollywood, has passed away. He was a veteran of which field? Options are A music composer, B singer, and C actor, and D filmmaker. And the answer is option A. Next question. India won 11 medals at the 2021 AIBA Youth World Boxing Championship, including 8 golds and 3 bronze. The event was held in which country? Options are A Russia, B Poland, C Italy, and D Germany. And the answer is option B. Next question. What was the profession of Amit Mistry, who has passed away? Options are A actor, B filmmaker, C politician, and D sportsman. And the answer is option A. Next question. RBI has approved the appointment of Atanu Chakraborty as the part-time chairman of which bank? Options are A ICICI Bank, B Axis Bank, and C Kotak Mahindra Bank, and option D HDFC Bank. And the answer is option D. Next question. What is the World Book Capital for 2021? Options are A Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, B Tbilisi, Georgia, and option C Athens, Greece, and option D Conakry, Joni. And the answer is option B. Next question. What is the theme of Leaders Summit on Climate 2021? Options are Our Collective Sprint to 2030, and option B చేంజ్ ద సిస్టమ్ నాట్ ద క్లైమేట్. ఆప్షన్ సార్ ఆప్షన్ సి వచ్చేసరికి రియలైజింగ్ ఆపర్చునిటీస్ ఆఫ్ ది 21st century ఫర్ ఆల్. అండ్ ఆప్షన్ డి క్లైమేట్ చేంజ్ ఎన్హాన్సింగ్ క్లైమేట్ యాక్షన్స్. అండ్ ద ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ ఆప్షన్ ఏ. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, నేమ్ ద ఇండియన్ bureaucrat who has recently been appointed as the external auditor of the Organization for the Prohibition of Chemical Weapons. Options are K.K. Venugopal, B. Rajiv Mehri, and option C. G.C. Murmu, and option D. Manoj Simha. And the answer is option C. Next question, who has been sworn in as the new chairperson of the industry body NASSCOM for 2021-22? Options are A. Chris Gopalakrishnan, B. Punit Ranjin, option C. Rekha M. Menon, and option D. N.S. Raghavan. And the answer is option C. Next question, who is the author of the e-book Climate Change Explained for One and All? Options are A. Sumaira Abdullahi, and B. Kailash Satyarthi, and option C. Akash Ranison, and option D. Disha Ravi. And the answer is option C. సో ఇవి మనకి మెయిన్గా 25th ఏప్రిల్కు సంబంధించినటువంటి కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్. సో ఇవి మనకి 21st, 22nd అండ్ 23rd అండ్ 24th, 25th టోటల్గా 5 డేస్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ ఇలా ఉన్నాయి మనకి. అండ్ ఇవే కాకుండా మన ఛానల్లో మరెన్నో నోటిఫికేషన్స్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి జాబ్ అప్డేట్స్ గురించి కావచ్చు, అండ్ అలాగే అండ్ మెయిన్గా గేట్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ గురించి, వీటన్నిటి గురించి కూడా డీటెయిల్డ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ అనేది ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. సో ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ క్యాండిడేట్స్ ఎవరైనా ఉంటే విజిట్ చేయండి. అండ్ మా వీడియోస్ కానీ మా డైలీ అప్డేట్స్ కానీ మీకు కనుక రావాలి అంటే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. మా యొక్క ప్రతి అప్డేట్ని కూడా మీరు అనేది పొందడం జరుగుతుంది. అండ్ మనం నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకొక 2 డేస్లో తెలుగులో కూడా కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ అనేది అప్లోడ్ చేయడం అనేది జరగబోతుంది. సో దానికి సంబంధించినటువంటి కరెంట్ డైలీ నోటిఫికేషన్స్ అనేది మీరు పొందడం జరుగుతుంది. సో జస్ట్ వాచ్ ఇట్ అండ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.